How to add an external bank account to Chase. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add an external bank account to your Chase bank. So to do that, first of all, open the Chase application on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look like this, where you'll have to tap on where under the accounts tab you can see all of your bank accounts. Now simply swipe left on your checking account and then it will basically provide you three different options: pay, transfer, and three dots. Tap on the second one, which is transfer. After that, under the accounts transfer tab, tap on the option manage external accounts. Now once you've done that, if you don't have a Chase checking or saving account, swipe left on your loan and then tap on the option pay. Now swipe left again and then tap on the option pay. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where on the bottom side of the screen you can see an option add an external account. Simply tap on it. After that, search for your bank by name or choose from the list of banks provided over here. And if you don't see your bank, you can simply add it manually by tapping the option add account manually. Now for this example, I'll simply choose my Bank of America. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the box which says I have read and agreed to the instant account verification service addendum. Now once you've done that, tap on the option next. After that, log into your other account. Now once you've done that, choose the account you want to add, and once you've done that, tap on the option next. And there you have it. That is basically how you add an external bank account to your Chase bank. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.